Hello fellow crafters and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make a simple card with pattern paper that pops, and you can make several of these to send to your family and friends to celebrate the Easter season or change up the sentiment for any time. Let's get started. Today, I'm using the Pink Fresh Studio Alpha die. It cuts an outline as well as a solid letter, but feel free to use any alphabet die to make this card. Our card base will be a Slimeline card. I have a video tutorial link below for you. We have cut a panel 3 1/4 by 6 3/4 for our Slimeline card. We're using the Simple Stories Life Captured paper pack. It's a wonderful paper pack that is so versatile, not only for scrapbooking, but I've made a journal with it with a matching card. It's a wonderful paper pack. To give your sentiment dimension and have it pop out on your card, you will take white cardstock and cut each letter 3 times. Then glue each letter together to make that dimension. And take your pattern paper and cut each letter 1 time out of the pattern paper and put that on top. This will make our letters coordinate with our cardstock and give us a totally different look using our alphabet dies. This is just one way to take your card up to the next notch. And it is a fast, easy process to make lots of cards for any occasion. What occasion would you make a card like this for? Leave it in the comments below. One of my favorite products is Glossy Accents, and to really make the pattern paper shine and look a little different than the pattern paper that we have on the base of the card, we're going to use Glossy Accents on each of the letters, and then we'll set these aside to dry. I suggest drying them either overnight or 2 or 3 hours, so you want to prepare this ahead of time. You do not have to use the glossy accents if you don't want to. I just like the shine and dimension and pop it gives to the card. We will use a die. I have a stitch die here to create a sentiment placeholder for our Easter word. You can use any die that you want to. You can also take a piece of paper and cut it down and do your own faux stitching in pen, or you could sponge the sides to make it pop off the page. Just use your creativity. Then adhere all of your letters. I'm using Gina Connect glue, and use your T-ruler to help you put your letters in place and keep them straight. And voila, you have your finished card project. Now you can spread joy to others, and you can create these in a quick, simple way to send out for Easter. Thank you for stopping by today. I hope you make a card to send to someone to share joy and love and let them know how much you mean to them. If you like this, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing. Thanks again for stopping by. Have a wonderful Easter.